3, 4. Say you stand by your man. You tell me something I don't understand. You said you love me, and that's a fact. And then you left me.
Hello there, Tony Menty once again, and a lovely warm welcome back to my workshop. Today's project, well, it's not today's project, it's I'm having to move workshops. So what my intention is, obviously I need to reclaim the garage back, and I'm going to build a brand new workshop. I'm restricted with size, and I don't think I'm going to get exactly the same size, but I'm just going to have to cope with it. So what my intention is, I will make this video of how I built the new workshop, step by step. The only thing is I've already started making the flags, but I'll show you that now. So we will start on how I move my workshop. Well, I've made a start on all the flags, putting the new pavement down. All this has got to be done, and I'm going to do all the way along here, and obviously probably put a greenhouse for my wife on this point here. There's all of the flags, what I've got ready to lay down, but unfortunately I can't get any more sand for at least another 2 weeks. So I'm going to make a start on building a new workshop in this area here, and I've got restrictions by the window, so I can only go to the side of the window, and that's it. So I think it's about 3 meters in length.